Buddy, my name is Ryan Max, and today we're going to be checking out some of my top 5 breeds of sheep. Number 5, Dutch Spotted. I like the look about these Dutch Spotted sheep. You see a lot of these around in the auction, and they're going for quite a lot of money. Number 4, the Blue Texels. I really like the look of these ones. You see a lot of them around in the local shows, and they're just really nice. Number 3, Suffolks. I used to have some when I was little, and there's really nice sheep, and I recommend you getting some. In at number 2, they're absolute a beast of a sheep, and that's the Texels. We used to have Texel pups to go with the mules, and they're really big, and you can get quite a lot of money for them. Number 1, the Beltex. These are my favourite sheep of all. They're really good. I've got one myself. I'm going to be showing it this year. It's having a lamb this year. They're really good. They've got a really good carcass. So that's it. So these are just my favourite 5. I would like to know yours, so go put them in the comment box. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.